Hi, my name's Adam Gilborn, founder of Easy Imex. We started Easy Imex in 2005 with one clear objective, which remains the same to this day: to make it easy for businesses to import from China. We know importing from China can be a headache. For instance, not knowing who to trust. Look, the reality is that there are many great manufacturers in China, but for every great factory, there are hundreds of inexperienced and incompetent manufacturers who produce below par product. Not to mention middlemen, trading companies, and outright bogus and fraudulent suppliers. Product quality. High defect rates, incorrect product specifications, and damage during shipment is a constant battle for importers. Negotiating the right price and contract terms. I've seen an awful lot of businesses over the years come to China and pay over the odds for a product. I've also seen businesses negotiate what they thought was a great price without realising the factory has quoted them on a cheaper specification. The worst thing is, without a proper contract in place, these businesses are forced to sell off container loads of product on the cheap or as seconds just to recover their losses. Shipping. While logistics can be relatively easy, most importers find it a constant challenge to make sure they're getting the most competitive rates and their goods are delivered on time. All of these challenges stand in the way, and that's before language and cultural barriers come into play, and the fact that business ethics in China are very different from the West. At Easy Imex, we manage and simplify the whole process with the goal of reducing costs, ensuring quality, and increasing the speed at which your business brings new product to market. We've spent over a decade in China building up our team of sourcing and quality control experts. Our on-the-ground presence means that we can be on any factory floor in China at the drop of a hat. This means we can solve problems quickly and effectively to get your business the results you need. We're yet to find a business we couldn't add value to. So, whether you're an established business looking for a partner on the ground to manage your supply chain, or an e-commerce startup selling on Amazon looking to source a better supplier, then please get in touch today. We would love to hear from you.